Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Today we're going to be discussing different scam emails that are doing the rounds at the moment, what to look out for, and what you can do to identify them as scam emails. If we have a look at the first one, it looks like it's coming from FedEx, and it says that they attempted a delivery on the behalf and you can now track your order. But if you come along and you click on it, now it's taking you to an email, a website that's not FedEx. So the thing to do in those cases, if you're getting FedEx, UPS, you're expecting a package, you're always going to get a tracking number. And you want to take the tracking number, put it in UPS or put it in FedEx. Never ever click the link, because the chances are, if there's a link, it's going to be a scam. Let's have a look at this one. This one says that you're about to lose access to your Office subscription. Renew today. So again, well, it's not actually taking you to Microsoft. So the thing again, never trust a link, always go directly to the source. If it says it's coming from your Office 365 or Microsoft, you want to go into your Microsoft account. Same thing here, SharePoint management, preview documents. Well, it's taking you out of your environment and to another website. Let's have a look. This one down here says your Apple ID has been locked. If you do not update within 24 hours, we're going to lock your account. Well, it's taking you to some scam website. So if you were going to double check it, again, go directly into your account. Never click on it. A lot of people now have voicemails by email. So this has become pretty popular, and it says get your new voicemail. Well, if you hover over it, you can actually see, wow, that website doesn't make any sense. Where is it really taking you? And this one, although probably not malicious, can be pretty dangerous, because it says open the PDF. Well, it doesn't say anything. Download the PDF and read the message carefully. Well, we don't know this person. Where's this PDF coming from? And the problem with that is that even though it may not be malicious initially, in other words, it's not going to put a virus on the system, it uses Adobe to capture your email and password. So when you open it, now you're actually giving them access to your email account. And those guys, sometimes they're just sitting there waiting for the opportune moment where they can jump in an email conversation. And we've seen situations where people have done a wire transfer to a bank account because somebody had come in between and said, well, here are my new bank account details. The problem is it was the bad guys. So, rule of thumb, don't trust links, don't trust attachments, always go directly to the source. And if you're not sure if somebody sent you an attachment, pick up the phone, don't reply to the email because the bad guys could be responding to it. Pick up the phone and actually speak to that person and say, hey, did you send this email to me? So before you click it, think about it, and the chances are it's better to delete the email or report it as scam. My name is Roland with Impress Computers. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.